Alright, so we got a Maytag washer, and I do have videos on this, but this one is a little different, and it might help somebody else that is looking to get their washer up and running. That part right there is a shifter, and I want to point something out. Sometimes you have to just get underneath your machine, and if you do and you notice your shift actuator, you can move it back and forth. Some oil on the motor right there, no big deal, just a little bit. If you can move the shift actuator back and forth, then it's bad. Now, the symptoms you're going to be having is your washer not washing, where you put the clothes in and they come out basically the same. So get under your machine and remove the guard and check out the shifter.
Was that the issue?
Yeah, so that's your shifter. Okay. I don't know if you can see it. You come in a little bit if you want. See how it's moving like this?
Okay, yeah.
You see that? Mm-hmm. It's not supposed to. So that's broken. So it moves this piece from wash. Mm-hmm. Right now the machine is in agitation.
Yeah.
And then this is spin, which the whole drum moves. And it's failed to do what it's supposed to do. So the machine was kind of stuck in spin. And when it agitated would come on, it just wouldn't do anything. It just barely moved. So, but this is pretty stiff. Okay, much better. Yeah, this is really stiff, and that could also cause damage to the shift actuator because it's making it more difficult to rotate. Right now, we're go ahead putting back the shift actuator. That's the shifter. And of course, I was explaining to the customer, it takes the machine from wash and into spin or vice versa. So most of the times it's going to be your shift actuator. Not always, but majority of the times. And 2 Phillips screws, just don't lose them, and they pop right on in. So pay attention to the signs if your washer is stuck in one mode, meaning it's either only going into spin or it will not wash. Those are some of the signs where the drum is barely turning. If you hear like a clicking sound underneath the machine where the washer doesn't want to do anything, or almost like a buzzing sound. So pay attention to those. I did not show what the washer was not doing, but now we're letting water in, and pretty soon you'll see the machine agitating as it should. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. That's what you want to see.